Hi dear students, welcome my YouTube channel Study 98 with Knowledge। सुपरटेट टीजीटी ईएलटी ग्रेड इंग्लिश टीचर के कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की बेहतर तैयारी के लिए स्टडी 98 विद नॉलेज के साथ जुड़े बेहतर तैयारी करें। जिन मित्रों ने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को एंड तक देखें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 51, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बुक्स वाज ट्रांसलेटेड इनटू इंग्लिश बाय वेक्लिफ? ऑप्शन ए अल्टरनेटिव वर्सेस, ऑप्शन बी बाइबल, ऑप्शन सी ए किंग एंड नो किंग, ऑप्शन डी गॉरबडक। द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन बी बाइबल। Bible was translated into English by John Wycliffe. So the right answer of this question is option B. Question number 52. Who was the leader of the pre-Raphaelite group of artists in England? Option A Swinburne, option B Morris, option C D.G. Rossetti, option D Christina Rossetti. The right answer of this question is option C D.G. Rossetti. Question number 53. Which novel does not come under the category of Gothic novel? Option A The Castle of Otranto, option B The Old English Byron, option C The Italian, option D Pride and Prejudice. The right answer of this question is option D Pride and Prejudice. Pride and Prejudice is a romantic novel. जॉन ऑस्टेन। प्राइड एंड प्रेजुडिस एक रोमांटिक नावल है जो कि जॉन ऑस्टेन द्वारा लिखा गया है। इट वॉज रिटन इन 1813। यह 1813 में लिखा गया है। 1813। So the right answer of this question is option D. Question number 54. Anatomy of Criticism is a work by option A Northrop Frye, option B I.A. Richards, option C George Sainsbury, option D Raymond Williams. The right answer of this question is option A Northrop Frye. Which of the following is not a closet drama? Option A All for Love, option B Prometheus Unbound, option C The Genesis, option D Samson Agonists. The right answer of this question is option A All for Love. Closet drama a play to be read rather than acted. यानी क्लोजेट ड्रामा वह ड्रामा होता है जो एक्शन करने के अतिरिक्त के अलावा केवल पढ़ने के लिए प्रयोग किया जाता है। सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन ए ऑल फॉर लव। द वर्ड वेल लॉस्ट इज ए 1677 heroic drama by John Dryden. But All for Love is a closet drama. So the right answer of this question is option A. Question number 56. The word basis in Old English poetry has which of following meanings? Option A to ask urgently, option B to attack someone, option C to expel someone, option D to call swiftly. The right answer of this question is option A to ask urgently. The word basis in Old English poetry has the meaning of meaning to ask urgently. Question number 57. The medieval period in English literature is the space. Option A 6th to the 10th century. Option B 6th to the 15th century. Option C 5th to the 10th century. Option D 5th to the 15th century. The right answer of this question is option D, 5th to the 10th century. Question number 58. Who was the first American to win Nobel Prize for Literature? Option A Eugene O'Neill. Option B Laszlo Millos. Option C John Steinbeck. Option D Sinclair Lewis. The right answer of this question is option D. Sinclair Lewis was the first American to win Nobel Prize for Literature. Question number 59. Lyric has been the most popular form of poetry during option A early 18th century, option B late 18th century and early 19th century, option C early 20th century, option D mid 20th century. The right answer of this question is option B, late 18th century and early 19th century. Lyric has been the most popular form of poetry during late 18th century and early 19th century. So the right answer of this question is option B. Question number 60. The period of Queen Victoria's reign is option A 1830 to 1900, option B 1837 to 1901, option C 1830 to 1901, option D 1837 to 1900. The right answer of this question is option B, 1837 to 1901. Queen Victoria reigned from 1837 to 1901. So the right answer of this question is option B. जिन मित्रों ने हमारे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है कृपया हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल स्टडी 98 विद नॉलेज के साथ जुड़ें। धन्यवाद।